3 rows of pins. I've got the switch in the off position, and I'm going to check continuity between the top pin and the bottom pin. I don't know if you can hear that, but there is continuity. Now I'll check with the middle pin, and there's no continuity there, so that's correct. This middle set of pins only has 2 and not 3. It doesn't have the top one, so I can't test that. But I can test this last side here, and that's correct. That's working. And now I'm gonna pull the switch so it's in the on position. Okay, I got the switch pulled out. Now I should not have continuity between these 2 pins, and I don't, so that's correct. But now I should have continuity between the lower 2 rows. And I do there, and I do there. So this switch is good.